Hi friends, welcome back to Crafty Kids TV. Today we will show you how to make cloud slime with no borax using these ingredients. Check the description for the full recipe. We have a big mixing bowl as well as some measuring tools. Let's get started. Step 1. Add in 1 bottle of Elmer's white glue or any PVA glue you have. This bottle is 7 ounces, so it makes a big batch. Use half if you want a smaller size. Optional step if you want a colored slime. We are going to try purple today. Mix blue and red together to make purple. Remember, the shaving foam will lighten the color. Mix until it looks something like this. Now add in the shaving foam, about 2 to 3 cups. Use 3 cups if you want the slime really fluffy. Enjoy the foam sounds. Once you have finished adding the foam, give it a really good mix. It will look something like this. I love purple. What's your favorite color? Let me know in the comments. Last step is to add contact lens solution, about 2 tablespoons. Check the description for an alternative if you don't have contact lens solution. Give it a really good mix again until it starts to get sticky. Then put it on a clean surface so you can mold it with your hands until soft and fluffy. It will still look sticky at this point until you knead with your hands. This may take up to 5 minutes. The slime will start to look like this. If it is still sticky, add in some more contact lens solution. Listen to those slime sounds, so satisfying. Thanks for watching.